Hey, what do you bring to eat today?
Not my sauce, fish sauce.
What's that, spam? Fried spam?
Yep.
Then
Not much.
boiled egg, fish sauce with
Chili.
chili, Thai chili. It looks like a good food.
Some rice.
Yeah. This looks like a good food. Spam is, you know, and when I went
It's not
to
what I plan to bring, but
when I went to Hawaii, people eat spam a lot over there. They like spam. Somehow they enjoy spam a lot. What's Paul eating? Same thing. Got some little mango here. Just bring some food to eat while we fish. While we do some fishing at in Jefferson here. So it's good, eh? So far, no fish biting. That's why we're eating. It's about what 6:30, 7 o'clock already.
so we don't need to clean.
Yeah. If we don't catch it, it's okay. We catch it, it's fine. So no big deal. A lot of rice. Let me see. Fried spam is not bad. Spam is just, you know, pork basically.
Dạ, chụp nó mọi nhá.
A little bit of this fish sauce here. Fish sauce is, you know,
Fish sauce for the egg, not for the spam. The spam already salty.
well, it's already. I think you don't need anything else. Just fish sauce with rice is good enough. Mmm.
But you have very good. It's good enough.
Your spams are already salty already, so not bad. Spam, fried spam is good.
That soft boiled egg pretty good.
Look at the egg still at the yolk, still have running yolk there. It's good. Put a little bit of fish sauce here. Fish sauce. Fish sauce is good with everything.
Shit.
While we're at the park here, anytime you have stinky stuff like fish sauce, you attract a lot of this fly and everything else. Well,
Come on, yo.
no.
That's how you came back to here. Family room. Like this way I get back in time.
Everything's good.
Chẳng có thịt xì gì mỗi nâng eat sardine with sugar snappy. But anyway, I didn't have, not even have one can in there. Ôi mà kì đi hay ấy, hay ấy.
Yeah. That's good.
How much it cost? Let's see.
Can't cost that much.
What, that 8?
Eggs now is about
$2.
no $2.30 a dozen now.
Oh,
Used to be cheap. Like a few years ago, it's only 99 cents a dozen.
but those days over, sir.
Mm.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
That's really good. That's a good meal.
Coba. Along?
Tastes good.
You done?
Yeah.